Okay, today I'm going to show you how to apply one of these vinyl stickers. This vinyl sticker is a one-piece sticker, meaning there's not a bunch of separate little things like letters in this. So when you apply it, you want it on a clean surface, clean it well ahead of time, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take some soapy water or Windex, and you're going to spray down the surface. And so now that surface is nice and wet, nice and soapy, and I'm going to take my sticker and peel off the backing. Sometimes they're a little hard to get off of here. And then I'm going to apply it to the surface, and that soapy water actually lets it kind of float around so I can get it centered, I can get it straight. And then you're going to take something like a student ID card or a driver's license, and you're going to squeegee from the center out, and that's going to push out all of the little air bubbles in behind there, and that's going to help it stay on there nice and tight once that soapy water kind of evaporates away. I still have a little bubble in there I need to get out. And straighten it up. And that's how you install a vinyl sticker.